Are you over 40 and it's time to declutter? Well, me too. I decided to cut my house stuff down to 1/3. That way, when I get ready to retire, I will be able to do so and not have to worry about it then. I think we have to start with the why. I'm gonna go into how I'm doing this, but we gotta start with the why. Why? We want our stuff cleared out and cleaned up. 1, for our children. 2, because when we get older and we want a simplified life, we don't need that stuff. We want to simplify our life. For me, with raising children, I had all this stuff. And frankly, I just don't need it. It's not important to me anymore. I really just want to live the rest of my days simplified and being happy. So we start with our why. So ask yourself, why are you trying to declutter? Another reason that I've noticed that we don't think about is we should do it now because our stamina fades. The older we get, the more it fades. And when we get to that retirement point where we're ready to downsize or simplify, we'll already have it done and we can just go forward. So I'm on this mission. I would love if you would join me and let me get to the tips of how I've been doing this. Most of us in our 40s and 50s are still working, so we don't have a lot of time. And the more time I sit with the stuff, I just get so boggled. So for me, the best tactic is to set with a timer, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you have, small little sections of time, and then you hit a section. And I use these 2 boxes, find a home and donate. I use them over and over and over again. Grab your boxes and let's start decluttering. I start with a find a home box and a donate box, a trash bag, and of course our timer that keeps us on task. I start in an area that I already had thought about, and this area I honestly don't use it. When I had kids, we used it so much, we just stuck everything in there, and I don't know, but for some reason they've left and I just don't even use this chest and anything in there. But having a place called Find a Home box really helps me because of a lot of it goes to my children or different areas, and it makes a great space. And I'm throwing away a lot of stuff. Like I said, I have to declutter down to 1/3. Did you know if you spend 10 minutes a day for 30 days, that equals 5 hours of decluttering? Yeah, so it's really simple. Just 10 minutes really makes a difference. Now I have it cleaned. I'm going to put some stuff back in it from another area. And look, that has been reduced down to 1/3. That feels so good. I'm feeling simplified already. Here's the part, because we're not done. You have to take that find a home and put stuff up. I'm putting this stuff up in the office, and then I have a box for the garage and works tools and stuff. And I also put some stuff in my kids' tubs for them. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe before the algorithm forgets me and you will never see me again. I'm starting with another section because I finished the other one. I take my 2 boxes, trash bag, and timer, and then I start. I just put all the things I want to save and find a new home for because I'm getting rid of this chest. I don't even use it. So I'm finding a great spot for the few things that I'm keeping, and then I have a donation box and the trash box. And let me tell you what, like, this is really going to help when I do get ready to retire, because this thing will be empty, ready to move, and my house will look better, and it'll just be easier for me to find things. So now that I've finished emptying out this whole thing, I think I left a couple of things in the bottom drawer, but isn't that easy? Like, so much. I'm not even gonna miss this stuff, but the tubs really is the trick. That has helped me a lot to have tubs that I'm gonna give away to, like, my kids and my sister, and they can do with it what they want to do with it. But you know, it makes it easy for me to know, here you go, this is where this goes, and then I put the rest up where it goes. I enjoyed today's decluttering. It really made me feel so good. And if you want more videos on decluttering, I would love to post more. That way it helps me stay accountable to reduce my home to 1/3. So when I get ready to retire, I will be ready.